Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to set up domain forwarding on Bluehost. So first of all, you need to go ahead to the official website and select your plan. If you want the better plan, or if you want the best plan, please visit the link in the description box to get the best offer for your new journey. Now, what you gotta do, basically log into your Bluehost account manager. Once logged in, find and click the hosting tab on the left side of your account. If you have multiple hosting packages, click manage. For the package that you want to manage, you will be automatically taken to your hosting page if you only have hosting account, and then click the cPanel option under the quick links, okay, right here, and then scroll down to that domain section and click on redirect icon right here, and below the types of redirects in cPanel, you can choose permanent 301 redirect. This type of redirect will direct search engines to the new site and update the visitors' bookmarks. And you have the temporary 302 redirect. In this type of redirect, the search engine will still index the original pages and reroute users in search engines, but it won't update the bookmark, right? And from the HTTPS www drop down menu, right, and choose the domain name that you would like to redirect, okay. And if you want to redirect a single page or directory, you can use the text field that begins with the forward slash to enter the folder or file name, right? And the redirect to field into the full URL of the page that you will be redirected. And next, enter the URL that you wish to redirect users to in the redirects to box, right? Make sure to specify the protocol. Next, select one of the following www.redirection options to dictate whether the domain will be redirected, right? And only redirect with www.redirects and sites visitors who type www. Prefix before the domain name, and redirect or without www. Redirect all users regardless of whether they enter the www. Prefix before the domain name. And next, of course, take the wildcard redirect box to redirect all files within the directory to the new directory with the same file name, okay? And basically learn how to use cPanel redirects to redirect website visitors from one domain or web page to another. Redirecting a domain in the cPanel can be helpful if you want to temporarily shut down a website or point users to another website address. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.